This 2024 East to West Entrada 3100FB is a Class C RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West and features a GRANITE PEAK interior, sleeps 10, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, rear bedroom. This 2024 East to West Entrada 3100FB is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.